Let's make some unicorn grapes.
Good afternoon. This is the kitchen, the cooking segment from the Fox's Den, and we're gonna make unicorn. We got our little unicorn here. We're gonna make unicorn grapes. So the idea comes from, she loves Sour Patch Kids, and Sour Patch Kids have quite a bit of sugar in them. I think 20 of these grapes is equivalent to 7 Sour Patch Kids. If I'm incorrect, I will correct that. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the grapes and we're going to coat them in Jello. This is orange flavored. You can use any flavor that you want. We have lemon, we have raspberry, and we have lime. Now there are different kinds of methods to do this. The first thing you have to do is you really have to wash your grapes, but you want to leave them wet. And I put them on a towel because the water is what helps the Jello stick. So what you do is, when you pull it off of the stem, you can put a toothpick right in there. Now I do this method because you could put the flavoring in a baggie and roll them in there. It got very clumpy. So this is still damp and wet, and I'm going to roll it around in the sugar. Give me 1 minute. Just like this, and then tap it. And then as you can see, it's coated. And then I'm just gonna lay it here. You can pull the stick out after they dry. And then I'm going to try another one, and then you're gonna do it. Then I have another one. I'm gonna do this one in the raspberry flavor. There you go. Let it dry. And then Lou, you can do it for the lime.
Yay, lime.
Go ahead. Some people, to make it more sweet and sour, what they do is they squeeze lemon juice over it, and that makes the liquid that sticks to the Jello.
Lemon, I love lemon.
Roll it in there, put it on. And I will show you one up close. If they get dry, just sprinkle them with some more water. Just dip it right in.
Lemon.
There you go.
I love lemon.
Let's taste one.
I want to taste
Oh my God, that was really good. That was the lime. The lime is amazing. Oh, that was lemon. This is the lime.
What is the one?
Oh my gosh. And they're crunchy. Oh my God. Raspberry is good. And they're healthy. They're so good and juicy. All right, we'll make more and then we'll show you what that finished product looks like. Okay, so this is quick, simple, easy unicorn grapes. What do you think, Lou? I think they're delicious. Try them. Comment below, tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit us at www.fromthefoxesden.com and share your stories with us. We'd like to meet you.